Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to be doing a review, you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Okay. I hope everybody doing okay because I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. Okay, so yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. And I'm just super energetic. Y'all see back here it's dark outside and you know it, your girl is grinding. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop some comments in the comment section below what y'all want your girl to do on her channel, and make sure you guys like this video. With that being said, how are you guys doing? Okay, I know it's been a week since I uploaded, but I am here to tell you guys that today I am going to be showing you guys what I am giving away in the giveaway. So make sure you guys stay tuned all the way to the end of this video so you guys can find out. And with that being said, I am going to be doing a review on... There's no label on this box, so let's flip the box up. I'm going to be doing a review on Urbanskinrx. I don't know if you guys could see that. Urbanskinrx. They sent me a beautiful box of love. So I'm going to show you guys what's in it. So this card says, "Hey glow getter." Glow getter, not go getter, glow getter. So on behalf of the brand, we wanted to send you some of our favorite products to test out. We're excited to hear your thoughts and favorites from the box. Show us some love by tagging us at Urbanskinrx and using the hashtag Urbanskinrx. So yes, already feeling the energy. Okay, here's the box. Let's show you guys what's in it. Love. All this love. Yes. Okay. Let me tell you guys, I'm not gonna say never, I'm not gonna lie, but I have never used any of Urbanskinrx until I went to my esthetician. She did my facial and she gave me a whole rundown of what I should use on my face, what I shouldn't use on my face, because all you guys know that I have sensitive skin, right? I break out so much right here, and I have the habit of picking my face. I am working on this habit. We all got habits, hello. But yeah, so I just pick my face. Every time I get out the shower, I pick my face, and it be leaving scars. And when you pop pimples, one pimple can spread to 20 and thousands. And yeah, I don't know how I went from 20 to thousands, but that's how it looks. So I'm just working on not picking my skin at all, and just clear my skin, because your girl is about to be summer ready. Okay, so off topic, let's get back on topic. Okay, so this beautiful box right here is a bunch of products. I would say about 12 products in this box. I have no idea, and this is going to be my first reaction. None of these products have been opened, but I have used one of these products before, which is the exfoliating scrub, which I love it so much because it heats up on your face. It makes it feel so clean and just like so let's get straight into this video. Sorry you guys, somebody is calling me. Let me mute them. Okay, so this product right here, let me show you guys. This product right here is Clear Tone Advanced Technology. It's this is melanin experted. They make products for people with melanin skin, and I know a lot of African Americans have melanin, so I just feel like this will work for me. Like this whole shenanigan product line, Urbanskinrx. I think it will work perfect for me because I am mixed with black, so I think that it will work for me. But it's always a try for everything. Okay, so this is the even tone cleansing bar. It's a 3-in-1 treatment, which means it brightens and improves uneven skin tone. Oh my god, this is what I need. Brighten and improves uneven skin tone. So it's 2 ounces, which is pretty good, and I like it. I like the box. Can't say I like it because I haven't used it yet, but I do like the box. It's like really soft. Who should use this product? Oh, that's cool. It gives you like a little doctor on the side, and it gives you like 2 African American women, and they're just enjoying their skin, feeling happy. So it says anyone with dark spots, dual complexion, uneven skin tone, and blemish prone skin. So I think this is definitely what I am looking for. It looks like on the top of the picture it comes with a sponge, so that's pretty cool. And I just don't got 1, but I got 2. Not only just 2, but I got 3. So they are different. That one is one I just explained. This one is controls oils, blemishes, and deep cleans pores. So this is different from that one, but it says anyone with oily skin, clogged pores, rough texture, dark spots, breakout, and blemish prone skin. So I think I can use this too. Urbanskinrx, how do y'all know what I need actually for my skin? Because y'all put all these goodies in my box, and y'all just probably just looked at my Instagram and was like, oh, she need this, she need this, she need this, throw it in a box, send it off to me, and I'm just happy with it. So yay. This one is anti-aging. I'm not old. Okay, anti-aging, smoothing, hydrating. So who should use this product? Anyone with combination skin, breakouts, dry skin, fine lines and wrinkles, sensitive skin, dry skin and blemishes, eczema prone skin. Woo! So yes, it comes with like coconut oil. I mean, it has like coconut oil in it. A gentle yet effective formula to exfoliating dead dual blemishes, skin revealing a youthful glow. Perfect for dry or combination skin, which I don't have dry skin. I cannot relate. I have very oily skin, but you never know. Actually I do have a combination of both. Like when I'm outside, like when I get out the shower, I'm like really dry, but when I put makeup on, I'm really oily. Maybe because I'm using makeup with oil in it. I don't know. Next we have this little box right here. It's a hydrating lip treatment. Hydrates, heals, and volumes, which your girl already got some volume to her lips, but it's good to try. So my lips is gonna be hydrated. No more ashiness, no more cracks. Okay, so this one is Pro Strength. It's the Super C Brightening Serum. It has 20% L-ascorbic acid, promotes even skin tone, reduces signs of aging. Ooh, okay. Who should use this product? Anyone with dark spots, dual skin, sun damage, age spots, large pores, oily skin, aging skin, uneven skin tone. Woo, so pretty much anybody can use this, okay? Then we have the Hydra Balance Instant Moisturizer Effusion, and it comes with this. It's like a water cream. I don't know how to pronounce this word. All I know is HY something acid. That's what's in it. And this is a lightweight non-pore clogging formula powered with acid to provide skin with intense hydrating for a youthful glow. Protects from the free radical damage and helps achieve smoother, softer skin. Directions: use morning and evening. Apply thin layer to skin and allow dry. Will moisturize and protect. Okay, so that is pretty cool. Next we have the Even Tone Night Treatment, and it has retinol and kojic acid, dark spots, and complexion corrector. So I'm not going to read all these directions, but I'm just going to name them off, and maybe I could do another video of showing you guys how to use this and what to use it for. So yeah, all I know is it's a night treatment, so use it at night, not in the daytime. This one is the Hydra Firm. It firms aging skin, ultra hydrating. So this is oil-free anti-aging serum. Is infused with hydrating, firming, and smoothing ingredients such as peptides and that word acid, which works together to improve the visible signs of aging. This non-pore clogging formula is also ideal hydrator for oily skin, acne-prone skin types. Yes, ma'am. Micro Polish Gentle Cleansing Gel smooths, exfoliates, brightens, and clarifies skin. Okay, so this is an effective cleansing gel. Polish contains a special blend of natural alpha hydroxy acids. Okay, citrics. Okay, so that's cool. Polishes skins without irritation to reveal a brighter, fresher, and healthy complexion. Okay, we will be using this soon. Even Tone Super, this is what it looks like. Super Glow Serum. And who should use this serum? Anyone with dark spots, dull skin, sun damage, large pores, fine lines, uneven skin tone, and aging skin. So we will be using this. Next we have the Dark Spot Rapid Repair Retinol Treatment. Improves uneven skin tone and blemishes. Who should use this product? Anyone with dark spots, acne, scars, sun damage, aging skin, Malaysia, rough texture, large pores. I have like large pores right here, so I will be using this. Okay. Next we have something in this bubbly. I don't know. Yeah, my nail hurts so bad, so I'm gonna be using my other fingers if I can get this open. Hold on. Just hang tight, y'all. Okay. Restore Oil. This is a Radiance Restore Oil. Use 1 to 3 drops to mix with your favorite foundation for a dewy glow. Okay. Okay, oil. Next we have the all-time favorite. Oh, wait. The all-time favorite, which is this. It's the Pumpkin Pore Detox and Mask and Scrub. It soothes, clarifies, improves appearance of pore size, which I have seen a difference with this product. I would definitely advertise this product because I honestly think this works for my skin. You rub it on your face, it heats up a little bit, feels good, and like you just scrub it on your face, leave it on for 15 minutes and rinse it off and then do your cleansing. This is so good. I definitely recommend you guys to get this product. And Who should use this product? Anyone with breakout prone skin, clogged pores, large pores, uneven skin tone, rough texture, aging, and dual skin. So I think this is perfect for everybody who has those things that is wrong with their skin. And I just honestly am impressed by this pumpkin pore, and it smells so good, you guys. No lie, it smells like pumpkins. Like, I'm so serious, it smells like Halloween, seriously. I just want to give you guys a little review of Urbanskinrx. I'm so happy to work with you guys, and I just want to say that I will be trying this product. You guys can even watch me try it for a week, and I will we can go along with it. You guys can go along with this journey with me to see if you guys see any results before you guys purchasing it. But I'm pretty much, by just this pumpkin pore scrub, I honestly think that I trust them with all these products I could put on my face, because my face is very sensitive and it does not take everything. So with that being said, that's the end of this video. Before we close out today's video, I do want to say I do have this straightener. It's from a healing oil, and it's a vapor iron. So it's like a straightener. It comes with oil. You put it in, it hydrates your hair while straightening. So this is what it looks like. I have opened it to see what it was, but I never used it. I had it sent to me, but I decided I want to give it to one of my supporters because I don't need it. I have a straightener. I don't want to be a hoarder and just, you know, save everything. I wish I can, but your girl live in a one-bedroom apartment, not enough space, and I just don't want to create a whole bunch of stuff with no storage. So with that being said, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, and if you guys enjoyed it, more videos will be coming soon. If you guys have any ideas what you guys want to see next, make sure you guys drop those in the comment section below. Turn on your post notifications. We're on the road to 40K. So yeah, so that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment below, and turn on post notifications, and like this video. Peace out, you guys.